Let's just basically say season 7's here. But yeah, I haven't played Battle Royale in a long time. I know, but as soon as I heard the word plane, bruh, what do you think I'm about to do? My aim is still really good. I actually had a 1v1 with Adrian, the mobile one, and destroyed him. I remember him being like, I remember being barely better than him, and now I'm just destroying him. So I really want to find this plane, cause like it seems OP, and I'm pretty sure it can shoot too. So OP. And Agent said they're hard to drive. Want to see that too. Spawn Island is covered with snow now. Season 7 sucks already, just because of this. Only the planes are good, alright? Go first, I think bus driver. I'm gonna go to Frosty Flights. There definitely should be a plane. Frosty Flights, what do you expect? It says flights in the name. Basically means that's a freaking airport right there. Like, obviously I'm gonna go for an airport. Now where's this plane? Nope. Nope. I hear the plane. Someone has it. Oh wait, that's a quad. You know exactly what I'm about to do. Bang! Oh shit, I really suck with this. Woo! Oh my god, I love this thing. Ooh, this is gonna be perfect. I failed that really badly. That was. Oh yes, the plane, the plane, the plane. This is the plane. Can I drive it? Yes, I can fly it. Shoot, this is actually hard to drive. Air brake, L shift. Bang! Bang! Oh shoot! You already know what's happening right now. Oh my god. So hard to drive. It's so, the sensitivity with it is so low. Come on, I hit you. Yes. Destroyed. Oh shit. That thing was OP. It's just so hard to aim and move with it. What? Wendy gets shield all of a sudden. What do you mean? Well, now we know one location where they spawn. That's good. That thing is so fun to drive, though. It's hard to. I barely even knew the controls. I was just moving my mouse around and just holding shift and then just letting it go. Whenever I just held shift whenever I turned and moved my mouse around. I didn't even use the WASD keys. Like, I was just moving my mouse around and using shift. Because those are the only controls I saw before I got under attack by another plane. Bam, 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 bam. Wait. They're doing it at the same time. Billy me. Yeah, we're going Frosty Flights again. I've been to Polar Peak already. It actually is so bad. Like, it's just a big mountain with like 4 buildings on it that aren't even that big, so yeah, it sucks. It's smaller than what Dusty Depot used to be. Like, literally. There are less buildings than Dusty Depot. Wait, there are 3 planes there? Oh my god. I'm gonna land right there. Oh, I think that's a FAMAS. FAMASery-do. Do, do. Do, do. Do, do. Oh, a mounted turret too. Perfecto. Ooh, a sniper. That's gonna be OP. Oh shit. It's so hard to drive. Oh my god, I'm upside down. Oh my god. So fun to just drive around with this thing. Come on, let me this way. I don't see it. I could hear someone over there somewhere. Right before I went on the plane. Wait. Oh. I love the boost. It makes you just go like, you can go upside down. I'm gonna try to go as far upside down as I can in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, how do you not fall off this thing? Oh my god, I just flew straight through the whole building. Ooh. I can go upside down just like that. There's straight up a control to go upside down. And now we turn around and shoot. Where is this guy? Oh, he's that way? Oh, I see him. My plane's gonna break soon. I see him though. Wait, another mounted turret, bro? How many of these things are there? Oh, there's another plane too. Wow, the plane had to come right there. You know, I'm just gonna get like a FAMAS or like just one gun, like a pump, and just get on a plane and just drive away from all the snow. Yep, that's definitely what I'm doing. I like wood. What was that? Happy Hamlet? I don't remember this one. No, I'm gonna go. Yeah, we're going Happy Hamlet. Yeah, Happy Hamlet right here. People said that the Snobby Shores turned into Snowy Shores. Like, you liars! It's still Snobby Shores with the Min. Oh my god, there's a bat. The bat is scary. It's also fatter than my cat. Get this. A 6-shooter. A pistol. Just the ammo. There's a pump. Perfecto. Oh! Even more perfecto. You know what? We're launching now. Wait for it. Bam! I love this thing. That's my first kill with at all so far, and it's with the plane too. What am I doing? Oh shoot! Are you kidding me? The plane got stuck. Do you like headshots? We like headshots on pros too. Even though he doesn't seem like one. That noob would have been dead long ago. I just realized that all these games, almost all of them, the buses went like this. I just realized that. I don't know why they didn't do anything for, like, I'm confused how Lucky Landing's still alive. Like, Lucky Landing is just, it's like there's a freaking whole, like, there's a whole freaking, Antarctica's right here and the Sahara's like right next to Antarctica. There's like 2 meters of grass between them. Like, what do you mean? No. Oh shoot. I'm just gonna go straight up. We're gonna go with my original plan. Oh my god, that actually is so confusing. I don't even know which direction I'm going in whenever I do that, like this. You can do a flip. Oh shoot, I'm gonna have to get into a fight. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god, I almost crashed the whole plane. I'm such a terrible driver. I'm not even shooting at the person behind me. I know it's a plane by the sounds though. My god. I have a plan. Why can't I straight up couldn't. It's the notifications. The notifications. Not now. What is this? Come on, why didn't you run here? Wait, I saw it. Oh, get wrecked. Just came in his plane and just shot him. Now I'm gonna steal his plane. Come on, let me drive it. Ah. I'm actually getting the hang of this. Come on. Die! just shot down 2 planes. I'm actually getting the hang of this. That was not a bad game. That was really good. I just messed up that time whenever I tried to glide into his plane. Or her, I don't know. It's hard to fly these. Planes are so hard to fly. Like the controls are just so weird. Now, no, not now. Not miss. At least it was an advertisement and I could stop it quickly. I didn't even click on the notification, it just opened it by itself. I think. That's the first time the battle bus took a different route. Well, yeah, this is definitely a place where you want to get your planes. Like, this is the perfect spot. I like getting mine from these two, but I think it's cooler like this. Because, like this, you're going like, it's like an actual airport. Like, you're going like, and like you're getting a big start, and then you're going. I just realized that I've landed Frosty Flights every time so far in this whole video. How is a guy just exploded 2 people with DMN? God is in my name, so I mean in his name. No, God's not in my name, alright? You can tell. But Good's in my name. Good is in my name, but not God. Okay? I don't know where good is in my... Stop! I don't want you notifications. No, I'm gonna take the good way. Exit! Just threw away a plane. That's how you throw away planes, by the way, guys. I'm just saying. There's gotta have been another person that landed in Frosty Flights. I'm gonna just turn around. No, I don't see anyone. Oh, there's a guy right there. Oh, I had a shot. What's he doing? Just staying still. He's not even doing anything, and I'm like, oh shoot! He's too strong! He's too strong for us. Oh my god. Hopefully I don't see those in a valley. Like, oh my god! This notification, if you click on this video, you will be bad at Fortnite for the rest of your life. He took a lot of damage right there. He's lower than half HP. Oh shoot. He got out of his plane. Oh my, it feels so scary to me to be upside down like that. Oh, he got back in his plane. He keeps on crashing his plane. Either he's doing it on purpose because he doesn't want to be. Or, oh, I see his strategy. He's getting new planes that have more HP. But you can't do that forever if there's zero limited amount of planes in this place. Oh, shoot. This should be like his last when he started off. No, it's actually a new one. I'm pretty sure I'm on low HP. That looks so weird when I'm upside down. It just distracts me in the middle of my fight. Oh shoot, that's a different plane. It's gonna be a third party. Yes, we're all too distracted. Tricking. That was really bad at tricking. That was a really bad trick, but whatever. It was the best I could do. I don't want to redo my trick. Where'd he go? I think he got out of his plane. Oh, never mind. Wait, that's another plane, not a red plane. Oh, this guy's a good shot there. Yeah, he's not good at it. One shot from any of these planes and you'll be dead, so you have to really be careful. Because these planes do 30 damage. Yeah, this guy's really good. Both his aim and drive. I'm really low. I have a plan. Another plan. Which you might not know. All my other ones do. The last try. I'm gonna get into a populated place. Dang it, he hit me. Told you I was one shot. Well, yeah, that was not good at all, but yeah, I guess that's the end of this video. At least I am level 3 already. Yeah. So, yeah, it won't seem to be that bad. But yeah, peace guys.